why is SEO so important for the healthcare sector? So here at Ada, we work with a lot of healthcare clients, and actually my background in digital marketing, I spent many years in the healthcare industry, and it's really interesting the differences or the nuances of SEO strategies within the healthcare space. So it probably won't come as a surprise, but within healthcare, it's such a vast topic and sector that there is a huge amount of online search demand, both in search engines and on AI platforms, so large language models. We've probably all been prone to having a research about potential symptoms or something we're experiencing. And it's something that people do very frequently at huge numbers. So how do we start to make sure our clients' websites are appearing and actually not just appearing and trying to sell a service or a product, but supporting those users, answering questions as experts. We need to make sure from an SEO stance that anything we are creating is compliant, is approved and written by experts who have the knowledge within that sector, and actually that it's a rich and useful resource for readers, not just search engines. So when we're writing content for an SEO strategy for a healthcare client, we're making sure those pieces are really informational, they're rich, they've got the latest statistics and findings in, imagery, videos, they're all really, really useful to the readers. And ultimately that means that search engines deem those pieces of content as hyper relevant and very useful, meaning that you'll rank higher in the search engine listing results. So within healthcare, there's definitely elements and SEO strategies that are similar and can be used across sector and across industry, but then there are certain strategies that are hyper relevant to healthcare, and there are things that we prioritize and make sure from our clients that we're getting the most out of them as possible. If they're working in the healthcare sector, they are the true experts, we're the digital experts. It's bringing those two worlds together to create something really, really useful. So ultimately SEO is very important in the healthcare space. There's a lot of noise, there's a lot of competition, so making your site present and appearing in SERPs and also useful for the reader and the user is critical.